guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the background noise for today's intro, but today's video is a house tour, so I'm starting out in the front of the house here, and let's show around the whole house. This is like a sunroom kind of porchy area here. Just cute little porch. Now this is the door from here to the living room. So this is the living room. A cat that you always see in the TV. Another cat. My father. Dining room, kind of office-y area. Don't know what to do with yet. Then there's the kitchen. We're in the process of still unpacking, so it's a little bit of a mess. So yeah, it's still a work in progress. There's a little pupper. Then we have a little cat room here. We don't know what to do with the space. And I have my little shadow here. That's going to be the little entertainment for. And then this is our little back door. Stay in here. Since you want to be my shadow, I can't let you in here. Right from that door here, we have a little sunroom here. It's still under, of course, moving. There's a whole lot of junk that I'm still gonna go through. But my goal is to hopefully get a decent amount of it done today. Hopefully enough to get at least some stuff cleared out. And then back from there is our kitchen again, which has this cute little breakfast bar I think is adorable. And of course there's Game of Life and other board games. Oh, sorry, baby. This is Dixie, our oldest little girl. Hi, baby. Hey, baby. She's our old little lady. Don't stop moving. And there's Callie that wants to show off everyone. So that's the cute little breakfast bar. And then this is kind of explanatory. There's my mom's purse, the coffee maker and cereals, her food, laptops, cords, cat food, cat water, place that still need to be redone, the cat that's still going to be following, printer. This is the parents' room. I'm just going to show quickly. Just looking. And I have cats following me all over. And then we have the bathroom that we haven't finished getting all set up. But it's pretty self-explanatory. The shower has all the, I'm going to get that before it goes somewhere else. But yeah, body washes, shampoos, and some towels. And then I have the toothbrushes, cleansers. If you want me to give my full review on the Tina by Beauty Chickadee, I'm more than fine with giving that review. I've been wanting to do it for a while. And then we have Duchess leading into my room, but first this is the linen closet, just pretty self-explanatory. And then we go into my room. Duchess, are you coming? Come on, baby. No? Okay. So this is my bed. It's cute. You've seen it in enough background. A Tilly's bag, a water bottle, and that's her catnip. The fan, AC, all my goodies I keep on my dresser. I still need to finish unpacking stuff to put on my dresser. So I have my toner, moisturizer, perfume, deodorant, my Polaroid Vogue thing that I still need to finish up, my iPhone box, the Beauty by Chickadee cute box that came with all the stuff, my mousse, other hair products, cuticle oil, and then I have my favorite gummies for keeping me all healthy. Then I have my basket of stuff that needs to be put away. I have my garbage bin / stuff I don't even know what's going on. And then I have my closet. I have like my extra pillows up here because I don't know where to put them right now. But yeah, I have my clothes here. My prom dress right here. It was such a pretty prom dress. It's ripped. Oh no. I need to get that sewed. I don't even know how it ripped until right now. And I can just get it untangled so you can see a little bit better in its full glory. But yeah, that's the prom dress that I wore when I went to prom. Then I have the shelving here where I keep my straighteners down there. My straightener, my proof ball, a cute little Halloween mouse, some of my books, my mirror, a calculator for I don't know right now. And then the second shelf, it's more perfumes, lotions, body washes, and a box of tissues because I'm getting a cold. And then on this shelf here, I have all three of my 6 American Girls. So I have them on 2 different shelves. So I have my first one here, second one, third one, fourth one is down here, fifth one is down there, and then the 6th one is there. And then I also just keep my towels here for right now. I have my debit card there. It needs to go somewhere safe. And a pair of headphones I still need to test out. But that is the room that you're going to be seeing a lot in future videos. So just get used to the new setup. I love the new setup. Tell me what I should put on these walls because I have no clue. But yeah, I have the tripod there to do a video. I might film a blue video after this. I'm not sure, but that is like what the outside of my window looks like. Is right over here. So nothing exciting. But okay, I'll do my outro right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this house tour. If you want more videos with me to do like my makeup in different rooms. Alright guys, that was the house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I kind of enjoyed filming it for you guys. If you want me to do any type of other video, like a baking video, or me doing my makeup in a different room, I'm more than happy to do that. But before you guys leave, make sure you give this video a like, comment down below what I should do next, and share it with all your friends. I hope to see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Bye.